At Enviro, we don't just make your building look clean, we want to prove that it's also hygienic and safe for the people using it. If your building doesn't look clean, your users might think you don't care and might question the level of care you have for what you do or the services you provide, ultimately, whether you care for them. At Enviro, we deliver environments that create a positive reputation. Buildings that look visibly clean, smell clean, feel clean, that delight the senses and show that you care. Without the benefit of proven hygiene protection, you run the risk of a health hazard where people succumb more easily to bugs and viruses that make them ill. At Enviro, we use special protective coatings on your surfaces and regularly swab them to make sure they are safe from viruses, bugs, and bacteria. These protective coatings reduce sickness and protect against illness. But we also know that users worry if your building doesn't feel safe, and that can have a serious impact on their well-being. At Enviro, we help by explaining all the things we do, helping to reassure them that they can be confident in their environment. Enviro provide clean, hygienic and safe environments. Environments where people feel safe and relaxed. Environments that help them participate fully in their job or in learning. Environments in which your building users can thrive.